Yeah, it is. It's like a flamenco.
Siya sa taas. Ganda nga.
And now for my
Kaya.
favorite verse. Let's
Ganda na.
get twinkly. Big day of Christmas where Mother Nature gave to me 5 sparkly stars, 4 holly leaves, 3 mistletoe, 2 pine cones, and a big Christmas tree for me.
Sige.
Verse. Let's get twinkly. On the big day of Christmas where Mother Nature gave to me 5 sparkly stars, 4 leaves, 3 mistletoe, 2 pine.
Ganda.
I'm gonna be human again when we pass by the portal.
So,
Siguro.
Right up again, Nora. Smiley, smiley.
Ba. Wow. Tapos kayo man.
Sige ma, okay ma. Smiley. Chichi.
Nak, 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 nak. Yung sobrang excited. Oo.
Are those vocal cords warm now?
Salila ta.
Day of Christmas where Mother Nature gave
Oo, hindi na talaga siya.
4 holly leaves, 3 mistletoe, 2 for me.
What's inside? It's the hole.
Nature gave to me
Owl ba yan? Wow.
3 mistletoe, 2
Ayun, yung owl. Ay, ayan oh. May puno. Bibi, hala ka.
Laura, Fairy Hotel.
Pero sa gabi to kung may lagyan lang.
Wala nga daw. Ay, mga puno oh. Ano nandang ginawang mga may
The House of Dana, Fairy.
Hala. Dami. Oh.
She almost turned into a fairy. Laura, this is the fairy playground.
Oh. Ay. Sobrang saya ni Laura. Ay, wala na si Ay. Inside ka muna dun, Bi.
Sophia, come here. No, maybe you can feel on their face. Come here.
She will turn into a fairy.
Wow. Sa nest si Baby.
Let's go!
Let's go, let's go. Come
She
on.
turned into a fairy.
Thank you.
Wow!
Oh. Ganda oh.
Holly, Holly. Oh. Ganda ng bahay, oh.
For my favorite verse, get twinkly. Day of Christmas where Mother Nature gave to me
Ganda.
5 sparkly stars, 5 sparkly stars, 4 holly leaves, 3 mistletoe, 2 pine cones, and a
Ah, maganda talaga. Grabe talaga to. Ito yung napunta natin. Ang ganda. Wow, ang ganda oh. Maano lang sa araw eh.
Para videoan ko kayo doon.
Hip hop! Hip hop! Hip hop!
May mga bahay-bahay na iba-iba.
Ang ganda nga eh. Ayan oh. Ayan oh. May bahay. Iba manday. Kung ano yung mga punong tumba, sinusunod nila yung mga ano niya eh. Yung bubong.
Maganda kayo sa doon ko.
Mga bahay-bahay.
Laura!
And now for my favorite verse.
We'll see you next year.
Yes,
Wait.
Bebe, oh!
Dasla kay Labubo.
Have you seen Leo? How long ago?
Mm. Ayan si Laura, baka malaglag.
It was 28 years old. There was so much like memories attached to it, but I was like, Mum, it looks absolutely shocking.
Ang daming mga bahay-bahay. Oh.
Ganda, saan ka, mother?
Dito ako sa Discovery Island.
Mga ferry, mga bahay ng ferry.
Mga bahay, oh. Ang ganda.
Ito na. Ayan, oh. Ah, ito na, mother. Ayan na sila, oh.
Ayan, dito kami. Ayan, namamasyal. Ang ganda.
Si father, si Madam Laura. Oh, si Papa, shortcut.
Duwindi mo si Papa mo eh.
Ang ganda talaga. Parang pantasya talaga siya.
Kasi ayan oh, may snow, mga bahay,
Mga maliliit na bahay.
puno ng snow daw. Ganda ng mga bahay. Mga maliliit. Ganda. Mga puno lang, no? Eh. Ang ganda talaga ng mga bahay-bahay. Ayan, number 6 na. Country.
This.
Ang ganda.
Laura, this is something clay. Ano naman ito dito? Clay. Oh, mining area. Wow.
Country play. Ah, yun.
Oh.
Ayun.
Mother Nature gave to me 6 snowflakes falling fast.
Picture there.
And a big Christmas tree
You
for
wanna learn how to sign language the snowflakes? The sign language for snowflakes. Wow. Ah,
all together
pwede na.
now.
Oh.
On the 6th
Doing a
day
little
of
dance.
Christmas, where Mother Nature gave to me
Yeah.
6 snowflakes falling fast, sparkly stars, 4 holly leaves, 3 snowflakes, and a big Christmas tree for me.
That's it. Yay.
All together now. On the 6th day of Christmas, where Mother Nature gave to me.
Atlantic to Pacific pala na to eh. Iba na eh. Iba
Grabe
ng-
yung ano nito. Ang ganda.
What happened with this labubu? I'm holding it forever. Oh, you need a coin.
Kaya nga, coins ba ah? May coins? Wow!
Do another one, do another one. Make a wish and do another one.
Ba, may wish pa siya. Ah.
Let's go.
Oh, gawis talaga mong apo.
Okay, ready, steady, go. Slide it in. Go, 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 go.
Yep. Wow! Ting! Yeah!
Oh, look, Laura, Hobbit houses. Oh, this is the door. Oh, there's no houses.
May mga ano,
Long time
ayun na.
ago, this is the houses of the dwarves, Laura. Go there, and that's their door. Oh, there's another one.
Ay, ang laki! Oh! Knock knock!
Ganda
Ang ganda. Oh, knock knock!
Knock, knock, knock.
Very good, very good. You look there.
Knock knock!
Merry
Open
Christmas.
knock knock! Merry Christmas!
Walang tao. Yung iba, oh.
Wow!
Oh, we are in heaven.
Oh! Grass!
Sus, ang ganda oh. Sumasayaw. Ay, sababawin kita.
Oh, bundok na tayo eh.
1700. This is 300 years old.
Oh my God!
Died from nothing.
On this site, September 5, 1782, nothing happened.
I mean to
Ayun pala yung inupuan natin kanina eh, no? Ayan no, yung parang eggs ay inupuan kayo pala lang.
Yung
Christmas na Christmas. Merry Christmas. What is that, baby? Wow. Ah, daw.
Go, Patrick! Go, when the week.
I can reach it.
Wow.
The weather with me. Winds are whistling, snowflakes falling by. Sparkly stars, for holly leaves, 3 mistletoe, 2 fireworks, and a big Christmas tree.
Kala mo snow.
I could
I'm gonna reach
reach
it as well. The weather witch. Ooh. We need to meet the witch, Laura. The snow is melting.
Could I touch this? So this way.
Ah, plenty mushroom.
See if I could. I did it.
Ay, ang ganda sa loob.
May weather, may wish list. May wish list na yung ano, witch.
Oh, ang ganda sa loob oh.
Kailangan mo dalhin yung ano
Nang alin?
word ng witch.
Ay, ayan yung witch nga oh, nakasakay sa ano oh. Ayan to oh, witch bee oh. Laura oh, sa may walis oh. 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 Ito.
Ang ganda nito.
Ayan oh, yung ano niya.
Oh.
Alam mo, hindi mo pag di mo talaga titingnan, hindi mo malaman na witch pala siya. Ayan siya. Ang galing na.
Nakasakay
Sakay siya sa walis. Ito yung
walis.
mukha niya.
Oh,
Ayan,
my
oh.
witch.
May mukha talaga siya. May mata.
Very good talaga.
Galing yung pagkagawa nila nito. Kala mo snow. Sana yung mag-ina. Ang ganda.
And a big Christmas tree for me.
6, 7. Wow.
Ganda.
Mo. May ano ah. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ang pagkagawa nila nito, no? Ayun, no, may palaruan pa pala sa taas.
What is that? 6, 7. Louder, Laura.
Please stop. 6, 7.